Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Many Shopify account pages you might have seen some shipping protection block like this to avoid shipping issues like kind of loss or damage which can happen to any online store. So you can also set this kind of a shipping protection block in your Shopify store. So in this video, I'm planning to guide you on how to create such a kind of a shipping protection block for your online store. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. And also, please note that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. For setting this up, I am using Checkout Ninja Customizer app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go for the Create Advanced block. Now I have already added a shipping protection block here. So I will open this up and will guide you on how I have configured this. For you to set up a new shipping protection block, you have to click on Create Checkout block from here and choose your block as the shipping protection. So for now, I am clicking on this. So first thing, you have to give a proper title for your shipping protection block so that you can easily identify it from your given list. And if you have any conditional visibility to enable or to show up the protection block in the checkout, then you can just enable it and give that condition here. There are multiple options over here to set as a conditions. So thus, whenever you are selecting this condition, then this block will be available in the checkout only when the given condition is met. For now, I am not planning to give any condition for my visibility of the block, so I am just unchecking this. So for you to create a new block, just click on Add block. Since I have already created one, I will show you what are the contents I have given to create the block here. First, we have to give the content settings. You can either go for the customized contents or there is a default content for the shipping protection. I have chosen the custom content so that I will give you what are the data I have given in each field. So header text we can give here and you can give the price here also. So I'm just planning to give the header text as protect your order just for $50. And the protection title will be shipping protection. And if you can also give some protection description and also a detailed information. So the protection description will be shorter of what the protection covers and all those things. And detailed explanation will cover all the protection services and protection complete informations about the shipping protection. And if you need to show some lock icon over this in this block, then you can just enable it, otherwise keep it disabled. And now you can just give some products over here, like in which product you need, like that represents the shipping protection. Price will be taken from this product. So just enabling the shipping protection, this product will be automatically added to the cart. So if you need to change it, just go click on this and select from here. I have already selected one, so I'm not adding much more. And in the appearance settings, you can just choose a default appearance or the custom appearance. For the default appearance, you have to give some attribute key and the attribute value, like kind of protection type, and attribute value will be shipping. And in case of styling option, it's an advanced stage, and you can just give for the advanced styling, which can go with the default theme, otherwise the custom styling. So in custom styling, you can just make the block much more attractive, kind of a container with a container background, container border, border radius. There are multiple options and styling, font size, background color, those kind of settings over here. You can choose any of this. There are multiple choices over here in each field. So you can select whatever you want from here. So after adding all the details, make the status active and then save it. Now you will be getting a block ID from here, so copy it. And you can just open the checkout editor. So you will be showing a checkout page here. So you can just click on custom block and add this block to the checkout. Now they will be asking our block ID. So just paste the one which we have copied earlier. Now, whenever I'm pasting my block ID, you can see that the protection block has been shown up in the checkout page. Now, I have already added in the shipping method as a protection block. I'm not planning to give much more, so I'm just deleting it. So, if you are checking the app section, you can see that in this shipping method here you can see that my block has been created. If you need to replace or move this block from here to any other place, just drag it from here and you can place it over anywhere else you want to. So after adding all the details and all the settings are complete, now you can just save it. Now let's test this in our store. So I have one product in my cart. Let's try to check out this. So in the shipping method, I can see a shipping protection block here. So whenever I'm just enabling it, you can see that the added product will be shown here. So that's how you can add shipping protection block to your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.